Hi there. I want to share with you today just a little tip that I've developed to reduce the wind noise on this Panasonic digital recorder. It's a Panasonic HC-V800. It's full HD, and it's fairly new to the market. I've had it about 6 months and absolutely love it, and have used it extensively. I have a couple of little niggles with it, and one of those is what we're going to discuss today. It's quite sensitive, even with the noise reduction, wind noise reduction, to sounds of wind blowing across the microphone. You see the microphone there is just planted on the top, and I suspect that's characteristic of most of these small digital cameras where you're not using an external microphone. I found this was particularly sensitive even in the slightest of breeze, which, you know, if you're filming something really good, it's kind of a bit irritating. So I had to think about what I could do, and I developed sort of a wind protection from wind protection foam that could go over the top. This is the finished item, and what it does is it just fits over the microphone like that, and I just hold it in place with a couple of elastic bands like that. Doesn't look pretty, but it's effective. It is amazing how that will change the amount of wind noise that you get and actually reduce it. Whether it affects the quality of the sound, maybe a little bit. I'm mostly filming things where that wouldn't matter, so steam trains, like big diesel trains, so they're producing quite a lot of unsophisticated noise. If you were going to film a music concert, something like that, I suspect you'd be plugging in an external mic at better quality anyway. But this has really changed the use of this camera, and I'll show you where that came from. This is a wind protector from a GoPro. I think it's a GoPro Hero 5, which I bought off eBay for, it was about, including postage from China, it was about £1 sterling, maybe $1.50 US dollars, something like that. So negligible. And I simply took a pair of scissors and cut the top off, cut the bottom off, and you end up with a cover. Okay. So here we have a piece of GoPro foam protection, and we just basically cut the top off. Now you can actually, out of one GoPro protector, you can make two, because you can cut those lugs off, but let's just put this one aside for the moment. And you can see from this, it's dome shaped. It's got I don't know whether that's showing up on the camera with it being black, but it's got a nice dished hollow here which the microphone will fit. Now what I did on the other one was I actually just trimmed a little bit of a curve in that, so it would just fit the top of the camera a little bit better, and just hopefully cut out all that wind noise. I can't express enough how well this has actually worked. So let's put that on the camera and see how it works. Okay, so we have the camera, and there is the one we've just cut, and it just fits on top and protects that microphone. Lovely. Just put it on with elastic bands. These elastic bands have gone a bit weak. To be honest, it probably wants some new ones. Originally I just had a single elastic band across the middle, but the ends lifted up and it was still just a little bit noisy. But with a band at either end, that is, for me, that's perfect. Is it perfect sound quality? I don't know. I'm not the person to judge. But for the type of things that I'm recording, like trains, it works fine. And like I say, if you're going to record something of good musical quality, you would probably have an external microphone anyway. So try it out, let me know how you get on. Like I say, it's worked for me and really changed how this records. So go and have a go. Hope you like it. Thank you.